Hello everyone. Today we are going to upgrade the RAM on the laptop. This laptop is pretty old. It's I don't know, probably 2012, maybe 2013. It's a Toshiba. And I came across some RAM here that was in the surplus bin at work. So I looked up my model laptop online and made sure that it was compatible with my laptop, and it is. So I went ahead and I got started a little bit. We'll see how well this goes, but I'm going to bump it up. The max is 8 gigs. So what I did is I went ahead and I took the battery out. You know, you pop it off on the side here and here and pull the battery out. And I got a little tiny Phillips head, and I went ahead and loosened this up, and we're just going to pop this up, and we're going to move that over there just like that. And as you can see, there we go, we've got 2 slots there, one on top of the other. And let's see if I can do this with one hand. I might not be able to, but we'll give it a try. There you go. I don't know if you saw that, but I pulled the handles out there. And let's see if we can just go ahead and pop this out. There's one. So let's set that over here. And now let's go ahead and try the other. See if we can get it up closer. We're going to just pop that out right there. Open that up a little bit right there, and it pops right up. Okay, it's going to come out easy, but we'll see how it's going to be going back in. And I'm just going to, oops, pull it out there. Alright, we'll move that again to the side. Those are 2 empty slots. So let's start here, and let's see if we can get this to go in. I'm going to try and do with one hand. There you go, I got that in. I'll pop it down there. And you hear the clip, so that's good. And let's go with number 2. You want to make sure that that it lines up. It's only going to go in one way. So it's going to go in at an angle a little bit there. And you want to make sure that you get that seated in there real nice, just like that. So it's in there. And then I'm just going to pop it down and pop it down. And we are good to go.